Assalamu alaikum, boys. I'm recording this video to explain you the concept of enlargement. Uh, this is a special case when the examiner will ask you to draw the enlarged shape. For to draw the enlarged shape, he will provide you two informations: the scale factor and the center of enlargement. Let's take the first example. Examiner has given you the center region 0, 0, we call it origin, and the scale factor he has given you 2. Okay, now since the center is 0, 0, so let me write the coordinates according to the origin 0, 0. Since he told us that this is the center, so the center is this. So relevant to the region, let me write the coordinates of A. The coordinates of A will be 2, 1. The coordinates of B will be 4, 1. The coordinates of C will be 2, 3. Done. Now, after writing the coordinates related to the center, which is the origin, now we will write these coordinates here on the side. The coordinates of A are 2, 1. The coordinates of B are 4, 1. The coordinates of C points are 2, 3. Now you want to get the new 3 points of the enlarged shape. So I call it as A dash, B dash, and C dash. So your scale factor is 2. Now you need to multiply this scale factor with the x coordinates and the y coordinates. So what would be the new points I'm going to get? 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, 4 times 2 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, and then 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. Now I got these 3 points. Let me label them from the origin. Yani count, yani represent these points by keeping your origin as the center, as the focal point. So 4, 2. Check, guys. Where is 4, 2? I'm going to use a different color. 4, 2. So 4, 2. So I reach to this point. Then 8, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we reach to this point. 8, 2. 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the third point. So can we join these points? A new triangle is formed, a big triangle with a scale factor 2, because your scale factor is 2. So this is your boys A dash, this is your B dash, and this is your C dash. A new point is formed. Um, any scale factor can be given to you. You just multiply the coordinates with it to get the new set of points. Now, I'm changing this question by taking a different center from the origin, right? So let me draw again x-axis and y-axis for you. Okay. Now here I have drawn x-axis and y-axis. My friends, I have a triangle. Suppose this is the triangle. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Now I'm using a different center. Suppose I'm using this center. Let me see the coordinates of this center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 1. So the center, the examiner says, draw an enlarged shape with the center phi 1. This is given to you with a scale factor of maybe 2. Okay, scale factor is 2. Now you need to write not the coordinates that this is 2 1, this is 4 1, this is 2 4. No, because these coordinates which you have written here, they are according to the origin, but now your center is 5 1. So let me rewrite the coordinates of ABCs according to the center. So let's start. 5 1 is 3 left, 2 up. 3 left, 2 up. So the coordinates of A is minus 3 2. The coordinates of B is 1 left, 2 up. 1 left, 2 up. And the coordinates of C will be 3 left, 3 left, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So did you see that I have drawn all the coordinates of ABC original triangle according to the center, the new center provided to you. Now write these coordinates on the side. A coordinate is minus 3 2, B is minus 1 2, and C is minus 3 4. Multiply all the coordinates with the scale factor, which is 2. So your new points will come to you minus 6, 4, minus 2, and 4, and then minus 6 and 8. Now I need to show these points. The first point is minus 6, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the point reaches here. A dash is this one. This is your A dash point. Let me erase. So this is my A dash point. The next is B dash, negative 2, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I stop here. This is my B point, B dash point. Let me erase. Okay. Third point is minus 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I reach here. This is my third point, C dash, which is minus 6, 8. Imagine, guys, the points which I have written, they are not the real coordinates, but these coordinates are written according to the center. So let me erase everything, the tracks which we have drawn to represent A dash, B dash, C dash. The triangle chord, the endpoints are plotted. Now we join them together to make the enlarged shape. So this is the new triangle which we have formed. Clear? So idea is pretty much understood by all of you that whenever the examiner gives you any shape and he says that this is the center and this is the scale factor, you have to draw the new enlarged shape. Then you have to write the coordinates of your shape according to the provided center. Once you write it, then you just need to multiply the scale factor with the coordinates according to the center. So you will get new set of points, then you need to plot the new set of points on the grid, and then you join them together. Guys, that new shape will come to you, will be the enlarged shape, and it is pretty much easier for the students to draw it in the exam. There is an opposite case. Sometimes examiner gives you the original shape and the final shape, and he asks you to find a center, which is pretty simple. You will just join the points with the corresponding points. Okay, so I pick one pair of corresponding points, and now I'm going to pick the second pair of corresponding points and drawing a line. So as you can see that when you draw the line from the original point and from the corresponding point, that line will always pass through from a single common point. And all the three lines which I can draw it here, they will have a common intersected point, and that point will be the center. And if you want to find the scale factor, your final figure has how many coordinates, and you pick one of the side and pick one of the side and its corresponding side. This has how many boxes? Four boxes, and it has two boxes. So your scale factor is final figures length divided by the corresponding original figure length 2. So your scale factor was 2. So you see that our scale factor was 2. I can do the same practice in this case. If I join them, A and A dash, boys, in front of you, okay, and I join B and B dash, in this case again you guys can see B and B dash, you guys can see again uh, the points are passing through the center. If you want to see the scale factor, this is like 4 and this is 2. Your scale factor will be 2 and your center is 5 1. Before ending this video, I just want to tell you guys, if you have this shape and you have this shape, definitely when you join them, guys, your center will be on one of the side, not in between, maybe on the right or on the left of the shape and original shape and the enlarged shape. In such a case, your scale factor is always positive. But if you have this type of a shape, the original shape and the final shape in inverted form, in such a case, boys, you will have the center always in between them. If you join them, you will find the center. This is the center, and here is the center. So, in such a case, the scale factor will be negative. So, be careful, guys, when you are representing the scale factors. If the original figure and the final figure is given, um, keep your eye that center is in between or center is on the side. If the center is on the side, scale factor is positive. If center is in between the original and the final shape, the scale factor has to be negative. Yani, how I will write it? Suppose this is the original shape and this is the final shape. If this length is 1 and this length is 3, the final figure 1 over 3, this is the scale factor, but I will write it as minus 1 over 3 since the center is in between. Got it? But in this case, if this is the original shape and this is the final shape, and if this is 3 and this is 1, then the scale factor will be 1 over 3 but positive, since the center is not in between. Thank you, boys. I think enlargement is explained in details to you.